question. Listen. Yeah, Rekha, 1 minute. Listen the whole question now. I'm mixing equal volume of HCl with NaOH. Both are mixed. HCl and NaOH both are mixed in equal volume. Same concentration. What is the pH of resulting solution color will be? What will be the color? What will be the color? What color do you expect? What color do you expect? If I mix HCl and NaOH in equal amount, equal concentration, what color do you expect? Identify from the table. What color do you expect? Identify from the given table. Vignesh is right. First, Prasanna wrong. Identify the color from the given table. Kiran is right. Krishna H is right. Shujan is right. Haripriya, the question is, if I mix same concentration of HCl and NaOH, what color you will get of the solution from the given table? Identify. Arpita right. B.S. Krishna from the given table you should say. Divyarani right. Rekha from the given table. Ovesh from the given table. Nikhil no. Haripriya right. Farat right. Prasanna right. Afifa no. See, identify from the given table. Right, Kishore, Jyoti, no. Arfat Hussaini, right. So answer is this. This is the answer. Nikhil, yellow, you can't say exact answer from the given table if I give. Yeah, you must be telling that, sir, 7 will come. We can't be sure about exactly 7. It can be here and there little bit. So, to very close to 7, 8 is there. Just give the green color. Correct now? I'm just talking about red, green and blue. So red when will come? When more acid will be there. Blue when will come? When more base will be there. Here both are strong acid and strong base. So 7 should get. If 7 color is not given, then pick it around 7, 8 green color. Pick 8 green color. So that is what from the given table you should identify. You cannot be 100% sure that it will be neutral only. So pick it from the table, miss, which is very close, that which is looking very correct, that you should give the answer. Okay. Yogita Rawati, answer Detija. Shrita right. Shujan and all right. So answer is red color. Remember red color. My apple is red and banana is yellow. Very good. Vaibhav says apple is red color. Okay, and banana is yellow. So apple is red. So in acid, methyl orange in acid is red color. And B for bases, banana is yellow color. Okay, so methyl orange in basic condition is yellow color. Remember, okay. Methyl orange in base, that is banana, B for banana, base is yellow. Okay, banana is yellow normally. Remember in this way, apple is red and banana. Okay, next one. What affect? Minus. Yeah, Rekha says something. Rekha is having explanation. No, Yogita. See, if OH minus, Shujan also explained. Good. If OH minus ion increases, then basicity of solution increases. Basicity also you can write basic nature of solution increases. And if OH minus ion decreases, basicity also decreases. This is the way to write. Basicity you write, or basic nature you write, same. Okay. That is the way to write the answer. This should be answer is what? (373 Kelvin). Remember, 373 Kelvin. If you want degrees Celsius means what? 373 minus 273 you should do. You will get 100 degrees Celsius. Okay. Whatever questions are covered, they all appeared in exam. Okay. I will answer it without wasting much time. Right, Shujan? No, Abdul Rahman. See you, everyone. Right, Rekha. Right, Rekha. Very good, Yogita. Vishwanath, right. See, a white powder. Till now, we can't identify Surabhi right now. Shujan, Hari also right. Wait now, don't miss it. Just a minute. White powder having order of chlorine. Remember, chlorine is it. So, if you, some people said washing soda. Washing soda is Na2CO3 10H2O. In this, there is no chlorine. If there is no chlorine, then how chlorine smell will come? Order means smell. There is no chlorine, so washing soda, correct? It is used to remove dirtiness. Yellowness means dirtiness of white cloth. In laundry, it is used in laundry. So obviously chlorine smell is there, so this will be the product. This is called bleaching powder. Which powder? Bleaching powder. Chemically it is called as calcium oxychloride. Correct now. So next question in that what was? Name the powder. It is done. We said the powder name and how it is prepared. Write the chemical equation. How it is prepared, you should write little bit that it is chlorine gas is passed through dry slaked lime. This is dry slaked lime. Chlorine gas is passed. We will get the bleaching powder and water. This is what? Bleaching powder, also called calcium oxychloride. This is what is the reaction. Done? Understood? Then, Charon, I will explain now a little bit on the topics now. Organisms. Tell me, litmus is the paper, litmus is the indicator which is obtained from where? This litmus is obtained from where? Lichens. It is always know very well. I remember he will be giving the answer. Yeah, Junaid, Krishna, Rekha, Vaibhav, Haripriya, all. It is obtained from lichens. What is the color of lichens in neutral? You know what is the color in neutral? Very good. Neutral, in neutral, what is the color? Very good. In neutral, the color is purple. Actually, purple color. Right, purple. Remember this. Okay. Next. Okay. Now tell me, in two products I will write CaCO3 and CaHCO3 twice. In this, which is soluble in water? A or B? Which is soluble in water? Which is soluble in water? Which is soluble in water? Junaid right. Vinay Kumar right. Krishna wrong. Bharat right. Prasanna right. Sujan right. Rekha no. Always wrong. Vishwanath right. Bhavna wrong. Suman right. Arpita right. Sandhya wrong. Rekha right. Krishna right. Abdul Rahman right. Sai Kiran wrong. Always right now. So Yogita, where is Nikhil? Good. No. So which is what as soluble in water? Soluble in water, Haripriya, right? Soluble in water is this. This is soluble in water. As it is soluble in water, do you know the story behind this? It is soluble in water, so no color will come. This is precipitate and it is white in color. This is when this has happened, you know, when this has happened during the conformation of carbon dioxide gas. When the carbon dioxide gas is passed through the lime water, we got milky white. What we got? Milky white. And this is insoluble, so it is precipitate. Insoluble, it is precipitate. If you pass excess of carbon dioxide to this, if you pass excess of carbon dioxide like CaCO3 plus H2O plus CO2, if you pass more and more to this, then you will get this. And this is soluble in water, so it is colorless. So it is colorless. Because it is soluble in water. Understood? Because it is soluble in water, so it is colorless. And remember, in your textbook clearly given, metallic oxides. In your textbook clearly given, metallic oxides. Metallic oxides. With acids in that heading, they have given that the copper oxide, if you take in beaker and if you make reaction with a dilute hydrochloric acid and if you slowly stir it, then you will get CuCl2 plus H2O, and this is bluish green color. It is clearly given in your syllabus. Clearly given in this topic. And even we gave the reaction. Remember, metallic oxides are basic in nature. They react with acid to get salt and water. Next one. If anybody is having, then let me know, please, whatever the doubts. Do you know of one experiment we did? In that we have taken 1 minute. If this is a test tube, in that I am taking sodium chloride plus sulfuric acid, Na2SO4 plus HCl. This HCl will come out, and if we keep this litmus paper, red color litmus paper, blue color litmus paper, yeah, we will try that silver oxide react with HCl. HCl should be there. What will happen when we pass? This is apart, this is another thing. You leave it now about that. This you see, this is HCl, it is dry HCl. Blue color litmus paper will not change to red color, right? It will change or no? Yeah, if you go for wet litmus paper, then blue will change to red. What is the reason if it comes in exam you are going to write? What is the reason if it comes in exam you are going to write? Yeah, you will write about Rekha is right. No, it's not, Junaid, like that answer will not be there. Why blue will not change to red? No, Krishna, it's like that answer should not be there. Remember, why HCl in water shows red? Remember, you should write blue will not change to red because HCl is not producing H plus ions. HCl produces H plus ions in water. When H plus ions in water is produced, then acidic property will be shown. As there are no H plus ions, so there is no acidic property. You remember that. As there are no H plus ions, so there is no acidic property. Now, if think it is humid, climate is humid, more watery is it, climate is humid, then which tube you will use? Certain tube is there which contain calcium chloride. What is the name of that tube? Very good, always. Bharat, Prasanna, Shujan. If climate is Arpita, Varsha, Arfa, Hussaini, Divya Rani. Yeah, if climate is like cool or watery or moisture, then you will use guard tube. And that tube contains CaCl. Okay, that tube contains CaCl. Shujan, who asked about this? Silver oxide can react with hydrochloric acid to give you AgCl plus water. Need to balance this reaction. So 2, if you give then 2 HCl. Shujan, you need to balance it. AgCl2, silver chloride. Yeah, try to balance it by writing 4 or something. Try to balance this. Okay. And tell me what you will add during dilution. What you will add during dilution, whether you will add acid to water or you will add water to acid. What you will add during dilution, tell me. Are you sure, Abdul? Very good. Krishna H. Right, Prasanna. Okay. All students remember, always acid will be added to water. Remember, A will come first, drop by drop. Very good. First A will come, then W will come. Very good. AgCl2. So remember AW. Okay, last and final thing, then we will end our class. Can you decide this? Can you do this? Dissociation, can you write dissociation of this? Can you write dissociation? If there are two OH, then diacidic base. If there is only single, then it is called monoacidic base. Right? Right, boys and